look into the eyes of human being or animal or anybody. Eyes are the door to divine in everyone. The divine is ticking in everyone. Eyes are the door to divine. Eyes are the door to connect to the soul of the person. हम किसी भी आत्मा से आत्मा को कनेक्ट करने के लिए आंखों में देखना चाहिए. Eyes are the door to connect to the Atman. So, when you connect to the Atman through the eyes, through the gaze, what happens is the mirror neuron phenomena happens. Whatever is here will reflect into the other person mind. Now listen carefully. If you are fearful, then the animal will attack you because the fear is reflected. You are fearful, the animal is fearful. In the fear, the attack will be there. Now listen carefully. If you have love, and when you are looking into the eyes of a monkey, and monkey experiences love, what will happen? Monkey will come lovingly close to you. Okay. See, today morning it happened. I was on the terrace and I had some gatia in my hand and the crows came. So I wanted to experiment. I went into this loving attention and I offered the gatia and the crows came and they took it from my hand. The crows, they are too sensitive. But you see, in that loving attention, even the pigeons came, Mena came, I was there and no bird was afraid of me. Okay. In fact, one bird came and sat on my shoulders. And the menas also picked up few things from my hand. And the pigeons were all enjoying. Nobody was afraid of me. Why? Because I had only love field, nothing else. And my love field was enjoyed by all the birds. Amazing things happened, my dear friends. Even birds and animals and plants also have the capacity to experience love. My master Sri Dadagavan was meditating in the forest for 14-15 years. And he said that no serpent, no animal ever attacked. Because in that meditative field, if there is no fear, if there is only love, then even the birds will be there around you and they are not afraid of you. There is no fear. There is only love. In fact, you see, wherever a saint is there, the lions will come, the deers will come, and you can see in Dattatraya's picture, the dogs are there, the cows are there, the lions are there, everybody there, and peacock is there, the serpent is there. They're all enemy of each other. But they are all friendly in that love field. You see in Lord Shiva's picture, if you understand the symbology, Lord Shiva's vehicle is Nandi, bull. Devi's vehicle is lion. Okay. They are enemies. Then one of the son, Kartikeya's vehicle is peacock, and Lord Shiva has a serpent in his neck. They are enemies. And Ganpati's vehicle is a rat. And serpent and rat, they are also enemies. But you see, they are all in harmony. They are all in the love field, and there is no fight anywhere. They are all living in harmony. So this symbology is actually explaining us the importance of loving attention. Anybody who gets into the loving attention and you are radiating love, you are oozing out with a love, and that love touches the person, anybody who listens to it, that love touches, okay? It's so tangible. And you get into the love field and your mirror neuron starts reflecting that love. Your cells start dancing, such a joy. There is so much of joy in the body level, the body cells start dancing. And amazing things happen at the chemical level in the body. Oxytocin is released in your brain, endorphins are released, you feel happy, you feel good. The mood changes because your frequency changes. And you come out of the negative emotions instantly and you get into the love field. Love vibrations are 500 hertz and above. All the negativity is below 250. Actually, below 100 is the heavy negativity. That is where people are caught up. So you jump from 100 hertz to 500 hertz straight if you get into what is known as the loving attention. Okay, we are going to have a dose of loving attention. I'll take you to the next higher level. Look into my eyes. I'm going to go into the higher frequencies of love.